Okay guys, so this is what you're going to need for the skincare routine. You're going to need some honey, a lemon, and an egg. And you're only going to need the egg white, so then you don't need the yolk. Just separate that and put it in a bowl. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You want to beat the egg whites until they get a little foamy. Okay, so you want to beat it till it's foamy like this. Yeah, this is the consistency you're looking for. Just so it's easier to put on your face. Take 1 teaspoon of honey and just put that in there too. Okay, then I'm just gonna combine this a little bit more. Okay, and this is the consistency you're looking for. It might feel a little watery, but that's okay. Okay guys, and you want to take these egg whites, and like I said, it's gonna be a little bit runny, and that's okay. You're gonna just use your hand. This is why we wanted to beat it, so then it's easier to put onto our face. You're gonna put it on here. I'm gonna leave it on for about 10 minutes. My skin's actually come a really long way. But I just stopped wearing like foundation and concealer and just left my skin to just, you know, do its thing. That allows it to breathe and stops breakouts. So yeah, you're gonna just leave it on like this for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes depending on how much time you have. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so after about 10 minutes it should be feeling really dry and tight on your face, and all you want to do is just wash it off and yeah, go about your day, whatever makeup routine you have or whatever you got to do for the day. But this is really good because eggs have collagen in them naturally, and that helps the production of collagen in your skin. Honey is really good to smooth out your skin and to lock in your moisture, and the lemon also has vitamin C, and it helps the production of collagen too and brightening your skin. So if you have any blemishes or scars from pimples and stuff, it'll help lighten those and keep your skin clear. But yeah, this is it guys. I'm gonna wash my face. Okay guys, and remember to pat dry your face, never rub it, because when you get older you're gonna be full of wrinkles and you don't want that. You want to take care of your skin as much as possible, so you know it can last you a long time. And as we get older, we naturally lose the elasticity in our skin, so doing things like this really helps prolong that. But yeah, you guys, that's it. It's my skincare routine. Whenever I'm feeling like my skin needs to be a little bit more tighter or brighter, I'll do this, and I'll just do it once a week. But yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.